Half of Americans suffer from this preventable disease. Some of the symptoms are bad breath, toothaches, and tooth loss. Let me show you how to be heads over tails on this disease. So let's get to it. Let me tell you about this product I purchased a couple weeks ago. If you have plaque in hard to reach places, this is what you need. It comes with a mirror, which helps in those areas that you can't really see. And I've been really enjoying it because there's some areas that floss just doesn't seem like it can get to. This tool just makes it so much smoother and convenient. Having that digital screen really helps in knowing how long you have until your battery is dead. The mirror is a very nice stainless steel, great quality. You can tell that the mirror looks like one that's from the dentist. The battery life lasts 2 hours. It charges very quickly. I tested this both on low intensity and as well on high intensity just to see if there was a difference. And I think that it performs very well. It only takes an hour to charge. I think that that is a reasonable time for the job that it gets done. The heads are extremely easy to switch out and lock into place. The handle on this is non-slip. There is also a LED light. It allows you to see those hard to reach places. With the battery life, as well as the multiple heads that come with this, I think it's definitely affordable. The other items that are on the market aren't providing as much. This is just my opinion, and I think that overall this is a really good item. However, when I was polishing my teeth, I do feel that those that have sensitive teeth might struggle with this, and those that get sensitive teeth after pregnancy. Since I am postpartum and I've had 4 babies, I know that my teeth have definitely gotten more sensitive, so I definitely enjoyed using this on a low intensity, and I feel like it worked completely fine. I'm excited to take some preventative action on my oral hygiene. Growing up, I always wanted to be a dentist. I just thought the job was super cool, and now I have this to just like be a dentist at home, which is kind of cool. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye. If you want to know why heads over tails, please like and subscribe for future videos. Please like and subscribe for I've always wanted to be a dentist.